How much time would it take for an airplane to reach its destination if it traveled an average velocity of 790 kilometers per hour for a distance of 4,700 kilometers? Well, the first thing I need to identify is some givens. And so as I go through here, I see that this is a given. And they say that my velocity average equals 790 kilometers per hour. Okay, and then it also tells me a distance of 4,700. So that's d equals 4,700 kilometers. Okay, pretty good. Now I need to figure out what my unknown is. And I've underlined it here. How much time? So I'm looking for time, which I can represent with t. I don't know what that is, so I'll use a question mark. And now something interesting. Most of the time you would solve time for seconds. But does the question actually specify what time unit? Let's use the KISS theory. Let's keep this simple. So why don't I respond in hours? At this point, I need an equation, and if you go to your blue card, I believe that you'll see velocity average equals a distance, or displacement, over a time. At this point, I can substitute numbers for letters, and I know that velocity average is actually 790 equals, a distance is 4,700, but I don't know what time is. Now I need to get time out of the denominator, and I can do that by multiplying the right side by time. Time divided by time is 1, so cancel, cancel. But whatever I do to the right, I have to do to the left as well. And so now if I rewrite this, I will get 790 t equals 4,700. In order to get t all by itself, I can divide the left side by 790, in effect multiplying by 1, cancel, cancel. And whatever I do to the left, I have to do to the right. When I solve this, I get t equals When I solve this, I get t equals 5.94936708 rhinoceroses. Be careful, it's not seconds, but in this case it's hours. Now the question becomes, how many sig figs do I need to apply in order to respond nicely? Significant figures. If I take a look at here, I have 2 sig figs. And if I take a look at here, I have 2 sig figs. So how many is my answer going to have? 2 significant figures. Now, I know that this 5 is going to be significant, and the digit that's here is going to be significant, but before the 4 goes away, it has an opportunity to influence the number in front of it. Considering that there's a 4 in this place, it does not round up. It is 5.9 hours.